Zach Cass 25. Ken.
Kind of Tritech 37. Farmer Brown coming at you from the treatment.
Farmer Brown Q.
Treatment plant names.
We'll see you next week. Well, Caffeinated crew, it is a chilly Saturday morning, and this means I need to set up a flag in cold frozen snow. And then I'm going to go get the coffee cooking. So, I'm going to set you guys down. I'm going to figure this out, and we're going to get started. Stay right there. I actually got it to stay. First try. Let's go. Alright. Oh boy. Oh boy. This is not unwrapping. Oh, what is going on here? There we go. Hooey. Oh, she's beautiful. She's a little dented. She's a little dented. Pulls a little dented. Don't touch the ground. And sink down. That looks good. That looks good. Now, we gotta get that coffee set up over there. I'm wondering, guys, what is it you guys do in the winter? You like me? Ugh. You come do crazy stuff like this outside in the cold. No second thought. Well, no forethought, that is. Just dumb. Well, not dumb. Maybe. Reasonably. Anyways. Young path here. Got a little ice. At least it's cleared off. Nice and shoveled. Lights on. Power outage works. I don't know why the outlet's open. That's kind of concerning. I'm gonna set you guys up over here. How you guys like that? All good? Cool. Cool. Gotta take the gloves off of this real quick. Please work. And don't electrocute me. Vienna Street Coffee. Get you some. I don't know why in Simpson's hell I decided to do this without my headlamp. It's a bad idea. Okay, I think we got it taken care of. Nice, evenly distributed. It's all good. Still cold. Got cups. Get this pot back on. Now, let's get this heated up before it starts freezing. Plug in. Ooh, there's some sparks. Oh. Now we listen. Love that sound. I'll bring you guys in. Listen to this wonderful sound. Hear that? The sweet sound of coffee brewing in the morning. I know I'm a crazy dude. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Ah, nice, beautiful Old Glory just sitting up in the morning. Almost to start. We have, I don't know, whole 30 minutes still, so I'm gonna jump in the truck, stay warm for a little bit. Also get the headlamp out because it's gonna be still nighttime, and we're gonna go on a little bit of a run today. Let's get started. Keep going, guys. I'm just getting a video. You got this, guys. Keep going. Big ones are your. Yep.
Big ones. Okay, perfect. That's in cadence. Perfect. 3. Oh, an extra rep. 4. Alright, in cadence. Starting position move. Exercise. 1, 2, 3.
1,
1, 2, 3.
2,
1, 2, 3.
3.
1, 2.
In cadence. Sorry, on my up. And up.
1,
Up.
2,
Up.
3.
Up.
4.
Up.
5. I'm gonna start with you. 1, 2, 3.
Start position move. Exercise.
Ryan Shirley, 31. Lando.
Lando.
Kenny Tritech, 37. Farmer Brown.
And Kip Patterson, 24, Bahama Mama.
Bahama Mama.
Justin McDowell.
Zach has 25. Caden.
And Justin McDowell, 28, Mullen.
Mullen. Q.
Yeah.
Coming at you from F3 Ames Treatment Plant. We'll see you next week. So, Caffeinated crew. It's winter. Gotta be prepared for winter. As you can see, Adam shoveled a lot of the driveway. I had the first go around when you guys saw in the last video. He had this one, and you kind of clear off the car as much as you can. But when it's winter time, you gotta be dressed up for the winter, right? You get your hat cap, get your warm cup of coffee. I just got a new pair of winter gloves because my last ones were torn up and had holes in them. But what about your dogs? What about your sweet four-legged angels? What do you do about them? Well, let's talk about it. Okay, coming inside. Now, I'm going to put these down. I'm going to fix all that. There's a couple different options. A lot of dogs, if you have them, can have a very quality winter coat on their own. They don't need anything to go outside. They don't need anything to wear. They just have that now. I will say, if all dogs have sensitive paw pads, and if you're going to walk on concrete, please get them boots. It's just like when they're out in warm day, getting those little paw booty shoes. Max has his, Herc's got his. They're good things to have, especially when it's a very hot summer day or it's very winter cold. Concrete kind of sucks to walk on. Anyways, but if you have a lot of fur, you're good. But if you don't, have a little jacket. Now this pink little jacket is my roommate's dog's. That's Kimmy Go. She's a tiny little dog, doesn't have much of a winter coat. So she gets her little jacket there. She's got other jackets. She's got other little things that goes on. The other dog that lives in this house is Wilder. Wilder is a big, huge Bernese Mountain Dog. She doesn't need it. She has more fluff than we need around the house. And they both shed the hair regardless. Well, that's just my real quick tip. Let's move on. Also, guys, how cool is this? Look at this. I got a Caffeinated-VET cat. Thank you, Serena, for such a wonderful gift. You're a sweetheart. That's my fiance. Now what? I don't know what I'm going to be doing. Cindy, I got an open day. I gotta figure it out. Alright. What's going on, weirdos? You know what's wild? It's cold. And I'm going to the wreck. But unfortunately, unlike Lincoln, this wreck doesn't open up until like 6 o'clock. Lincoln's wreck would have already been open. Now would have already been to work. How's it going, everybody? What am I saying that? That's okay, that is awkward. Alright, I'm going to go to the cafe, grab myself a coffee here at the vet school because I'm doing my last surgery of the semester. Where am I going? I'm going this way. Yeah, I just got done, on the treadmill, did 10 minutes of uphill power walking, then hit the jump rope for a solid set of time, and now grabbing some pre-surgery caffeine before everything gets going. We're almost done with the week. I'm upside down. Wow, okay. Better. Y'all didn't tell me. What are you doing? Anyways. It's a long day. Finishing up the water first. Still cold outside. Of course, Midwest does. Went up to like 44 yesterday. Had a nice quality Christmas party. And now it's back below freezing. So, all fun, all fun. You guys want to see what veterinary school is like? This is from probably the earlier part of the week. 1, 2, 3, 4. What do we got going on here? Is this? Yep, that's more anatomy. I think that one's parasitology. The first one was anatomy. Also, what do we have here? Sensor code. Also more anatomy, doing some cranial nerves and some head. On the backside, empty. All right, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different things left up and done. And there's also probably another one over there that's got stuff filled out. It's crazy. We keep filling these up. They're going to keep using it. They're probably going to get cleared and redone again today. So, crazy stuff. Let's get some coffee. Alright, surgery's done. Last surgery of the semester. Finally finished. I'm on a 24-hour fast currently still, and I needed to have some protein, or, well, not protein. I need to have some amino acids that way my body's getting taken care of. So I got some coffee here, but what I'm doing is I'm adding some of my capsules of my desiccated organ supplements from Heart and Soil, getting those mixed in, and I'm going to add in a little bit of beef bone broth. So the idea, the reason why I'm doing this is, one, I want some general amino acids built into my coffee, but I'm using coffee particularly. One, it's not too late in the day. I'm gonna be fine. The caffeine will clear out in about 5 hours. So at least if my metabolism holds up. But yeah, I'm putting this into my coffee, one, so I can keep it flavored. I'm not gonna just run on the flavor of bone broth and supplements. But also, oh, that's gonna be a spill. Hold on 1 second here. Thank you. Alright. Got that done. Got all these capsules left over. All empty. Anyways, what was I saying? Yeah. Give my muscles some amino acids. Since I did work out today, I did have some stuff before I went to actual surgery, and a little bit when I did after. This will allow me to replenish my body. So, I need to take this spoon, stir this up. This is warm coffee. Probably would do better something else. We're gonna see how this tastes. If anything, I can add honey to it. I got some honey right there. It's not bad. It's okay. Yeah. All I'm doing is essentially just getting myself some quality amino acids. Also has some vitamins in it and some minerals. What also the antioxidant properties of vitamin E as well as coffee. It's helpful. Alright. That finishes that up. Next thing. So I just broke my fast. And my roommates and I put together a quality set of food. One, it was kind of great that God helped me through this, so all praise to God, to the Most High. Only reason why I got through this and I can't crumble like a fruitcake. So, not only do I got my drink, but my roommates made a set of seasoned tater tots, asparagus, but I cooked some nice quality seasoned steaks. Medium rare, of course. Nice. It is for something the first thing I've had in 24 hours for it to be steak. Oh, best way, thank you God, to finish any kind of fast meat. Also, pepper box. So, it is currently snowing outside already. Walking out, heading to a coffee shop, going to get some studying done. It's Thursday, about done with dead week, and gonna be heading right into finals. So, but yeah, it's a weird thing in the Midwest, like Nebraska, Iowa, Kansas, yeah, whatever. So, I don't know why, but you can be so terrible at your job at predicting the weather as a weatherman, but the fact that you said only percent rather than what it will, you're perfectly fine. No one blame you for it. Still get paid. I wish I could have that degree of error in my job. That'd be phenomenal. Honestly, though, it is beautiful. It's a nice light snow, drifting falls. What's your guys' favorite time of season? Favorite time. Favorite season of the year. I like winter. Winter's nice. I like most seasons each for their own thing, but I definitely like winter. You see the breath. Yeah, you can see the steam coming off my breath. What is it right now? It is, sorry, right now, give me a little bit of check here. It is 17 degrees Fahrenheit. That's freedom measurements for all the people elsewhere. Yeah, I'm gonna head to the stop. I really don't got much going on for the rest of the week, so I might just call it out and finish it here. Yeah, thanks, that's it. As always, stay fit, stay faithful, stay caffeinated. Since it's winter, stay warm. God bless. I'll see you next time, nerds. Yeah, so it's like I'm actually gonna be back for a little extra thing. I just had to make a blitz run to school because I had forgot I had patient care. So I was about 10 minutes late. Finally got here, helped out my partner to do our 2 CAT exams and get that taken care of. It is also like snowing actively, so I had to, right as I was supposed to be time for me to be here, she had texted me saying, "Hey, are you here? I need let in." And I'm like, no, I'm not. I'm actually on my way because I just forgot that I was supposed to be here and I messed up the time because I was thinking, oh, it's only 6. No, it was 7. So it's like, nope. So I got my butt in the truck, got my truck fired up and got running in less than 3 minutes and hauled butt to get here. Now, Zach, you're wondering why I'm walking out with just the jacket and carrying my vest and hat, because my truck's right there and I'm not really in the mood to do the extra stuff, and I'm talking to you guys. So, that's always that. Anyways, yeah, crazy stuff. So, more snow on the ground. Barely cleared off the truck. And it continues. Alright. See you next time, nerds.